Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and fix the Bluetooth on and off button missing on Windows 11. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So this is my Bluetooth tab that I have right here, and as you could go ahead and see, the on and off button is disabled. The first thing that you'll want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and click on the Windows logo that we have right here. And once inside, you should just go ahead and search for Device Manager. And once inside Device Manager, you will go ahead and see the Bluetooth section that we have right here. Now, you could just go ahead and expand on this Bluetooth tab that we have, and you will be able to see the generic Bluetooth radio. It can be different from yours because we are all using different Bluetooth devices. For example, your Bluetooth can be integrated within your motherboard, or you could just go ahead and buy an external Bluetooth adapter. So in my case, I'm using a external Bluetooth adapter, so this is the name that it came up with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the generic Bluetooth radio that I have right here. And if you go ahead and see the enable device, this means that your device is disabled. The only thing that you need to do is to enable that device. Just go ahead and click on enable, and as you could go ahead and see, the Bluetooth on and off button has now appeared. Now, if your Bluetooth device is already enabled, you could just go ahead and try to re-enable to see if that fixes your problem. Now, if your problem still persists, the next thing to go ahead and do is to update that driver. So let's just go ahead and click on the generic Bluetooth radio that I have right here. And once inside, of course, you have three options: update driver, disable device, and uninstall device. So just go ahead and click on the first option that we have, which is update driver. You can just go ahead and search automatically for drivers, or if you already have the updates ready inside your computer, you could just go ahead and choose the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the first one, search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and it will go ahead and try to search for the very specific device or files. And if you see that an update is available, you could just go ahead and update your device, and hopefully that fixes your problem. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.